the melody of change. In a small town nestled between the mountains, music flowed like a river. Every year, the townspeople held a festival to celebrate their love for music. This year, however, the festival felt different. The young people, inspired by the world beyond their town, wanted to introduce new styles to the traditional folk songs that had been sung for generations. Among them was Clara, a passionate violinist who had always played the same tunes her grandmother taught her. But as she listened to her friends experiment with pop and jazz, she felt a spark of curiosity. Could she blend her classical training with these new rhythms? One evening, Clara gathered her friends in the town square. "Let's create something unique," she suggested, her eyes shining with excitement. They spent hours experimenting, mixing the old with the new. The sound of the violin intertwined with electric guitars and digital beats, creating a beautiful fusion. As the festival approached, Clara felt nervous about performing their new piece. Would the townspeople accept this change? On the day of the festival, the square was filled with familiar faces. When Clara and her friends took the stage, she took a deep breath and began to play. The music danced through the air, captivating the audience. To her surprise, the townspeople cheered, embracing the new melody. That day, Clara realized that music was not just about the past, it was also about evolution and connection. Through their shared love for music, they had woven a new thread into the fabric of their town's culture, celebrating both tradition and innovation.